In order to change the URL of your Twitter or X profile, you need to update your username. So follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Twitter application and log into your account. After that, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Click on Profile Picture in the top left corner of the screen and then choose Settings and Support. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings and Privacy. From here, click on Your Account, that is the initial option in this page. Now click on Account Information, that is also the initial option in this page. Now tap on your username, delete your previous username, and then enter your new username, which must be unique. Once you do that, click on Done in the bottom, that is highlighted in blue color, to save your changes, and you'll be done. Once you change your username, your profile URL will automatically update to the one you have set it. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.